Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. In this video, I'll teach you how to download Messenger app in your mobile phone. Keep watching the video till the end to learn how, and do not forget to subscribe our channel by hitting the subscribe button and also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss any update from us. In order to download Messenger app in your mobile phone, first go to the Play Store if you are Android user, and if you are iOS user, go to the App Store. Here you can see the search bar, type in Messenger. You can easily find this app, tap the install button. While installing or downloading the app, make sure to have a stable internet connection. Messenger is an instant messaging app and platform developed by Facebook. It is all-in-one communication app complete with unlimited text, voice, video calling and group chat features. To know more about this app, you can see the description. You can see rate and reviews as well. Once the installation is complete, you can open the app. You can click the open button. To operate this app, you need to log in with your Facebook account. After that, you can easily use this app. So this is how you can quickly download Messenger app in your mobile phone. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, give us a thumbs up. If you have any comments or feedbacks, you can comment down in the comment section below. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.